Hello students, we are going to solve a tricky question. Here you see it is an Olympiad question. We are going to solve it. Here is solution. A to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal to 30. So we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal to 30, or 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x equal to 30. Now here we take 2 to the power x as a. 2 to the power x equal to a. Then the equation becomes a to the power 3 plus a equal to 30, or a to the power 3 plus a minus 30 equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Now we will solve it as a cubic equation. There is two method. Here we are taking a simple method that we can solve very easily. Now a to the power 3 plus a minus 30 equal to 0. A to the power 3 plus a minus, we write 30 as 27 plus 3 equal to 0. Now why we are taking 30 as 27 plus 3? Because here a to the power cube, a to the power 3, and here 27 is 3 to the power 3, so that we can uh, use a formula a cube minus b cube, as we will see here. A cube minus 27 plus a minus 3 equal to 0, or a cube minus 3 to the power 3 plus a minus 3 equal to 0. Now here a cube minus b cube formula, we know that a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So here take a as a, b as 3. So a cube minus 3 cube equal to a minus 3, because b equal to 3, a square plus a equal to a, b equal to 3 plus b square 3 square. So here we put the value a cube minus b cube, so it becomes a minus 3 a square plus 3 into a 3a plus 3 square means 9 plus a minus 3 equal to 0. Now a minus 3 is common, so we take common a minus 3. A square plus 3a plus 9 plus 1 because a minus 3 is taken common, equal to 0. So here a minus 3 a square plus 3a plus 10 equal to 0. So a minus 3 equal to 0 or a square plus 3a plus 10 equal to 0. From a minus 3 equal to 0, we get a equal to 3. It is a real number. Now we see here whether we can get also a real root or not from this factor. So put a square plus 3a plus 10 equal to 0, and if discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac, b square b equal to 3, 3 square minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to 10, equal to 3 square 9 minus 4 10 is 40, 9 minus 40, d equal to minus 31. Since d is less than 0, so it is not a real root, it is imaginary root, so we ignore it. So we have a equal to 3 is our root. Now a equal to 3, we have assumed that 2 to the power x as a, or 2 to the power x equal to, putting value of a equal to 3. Now taking log both sides, log 2x equal to log 3, or x log 2 equal to log 3. Now we divide by log 2 both sides. Log 2 both sides. So here log 2 cancel, and we get x equal to log 3 upon log 2, or x equal to log 3 of base 2, because it is a formula log a by log b equal to log b base to the power a. So here is our answer, x equal to log 3 of base 2. Now we will verify whether it is true or not. So the question is a to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal to 30, or 8 to the power, we put value of x log 3 of base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 of base 2 equal to 30. We can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 log 3 of base 2 plus 2 log 3 of base 2 equal to 30, or 2 to the power 3 log 3 of base 2 plus log 3 of base 2 equal to 30. Now here we see that 3 comes here, 2 log 3 to the power 3 of base 2 plus 2 log 3 of base 2 equal to 30, or 2 log 3 to the power 3 means 27 of base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 of base 2 equal to 30. Now we have another formula, that a log b to the power base a equal to b. So here a equal to 2 log 27 base 2 equal to 27. So here 2 log 27 base of 2 equal to 27, plus similarly here 2 log 3 of base 2 same equal to 3 equal to 30. So 27 plus 3 equal to 30 equal to 30, which verifies our answer. So our answer is x equal to log 3 of base 2.